Have you ever caught yourself deeply immersed in your hobby and wondered if it could be your full-time gig? For many young professionals, merging passion with career is the ultimate dream, but the path to making it a reality is often clouded with uncertainty and doubt. In this video, we're going to dissect the process of turning your hobby into a successful career, offering tailored advice for our ambitious yet pragmatic audience. Identifying your marketable passion. It's essential to choose a hobby that not only excites you, but also has the potential to be profitable. Like the weekend guitarist who starts getting paid gigs at local cafes. Begin by listing your hobbies and passions. Research each to understand market demand and competition. Connect with people already working in these areas for insights. Consider the feasibility. Can it be scaled? Is it sustainable long-term? Experiment with a small project or side gig to gauge interest. This could be as simple as selling a few handmade items online or offering a trial service. Building a business mindset. Cultivating a business mindset is critical to transition a hobby into a career. Upskill yourself in business fundamentals. This could mean taking online courses on entrepreneurship, marketing, and finance. Start thinking about your hobby as a business. How would you price your product or service? What are the overhead costs? Draft a basic business model. Perhaps start with a simple SWOT analysis. Strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, to better understand the business landscape of your hobby. The $100 Startup by Chris Guillebeau offers inspiration and practical advice on turning a small idea into a profitable venture. Networking and branding. Effective networking and a strong personal brand can be game changers in your entrepreneurial journey. Like the hobbyist writer who becomes a recognized blogger or columnist. Create a professional portfolio or website showcasing your work. Engage with online communities related to your hobby. Attend local meetups, workshops, or conferences to network with like-minded individuals and potential clients. Use social media to build your brand. Consistent posting, engaging with followers, and showcasing your unique perspective can attract a loyal audience. Balancing passion with practicality. Transitioning a hobby into a career requires a balance between passion and practical life demands. Develop a financial plan that includes a budget and savings goal. This might mean keeping your day job while gradually scaling your hobby business. Time management becomes crucial here. Allocate specific hours in your day or week dedicated solely to your hobby business. Keep track of all business-related expenses to understand your cash flow. It's also important to know when to ask for help, whether it's hiring a part-time assistant or seeking mentorship. Deep Work by Cal Newport is an excellent resource on maximizing productivity, particularly when balancing multiple responsibilities. Overcoming challenges and setbacks. Navigating and overcoming the inevitable challenges and setbacks is crucial for transitioning your hobby into a successful career. First, anticipate potential challenges. For example, if you're an aspiring photographer, common issues might include inconsistent client work or technical setbacks. Develop a contingency plan for such situations. This could involve diversifying your skills, seeking feedback, or even setting aside a financial buffer for lean periods. Remember, resilience is key. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Keep a reflective journal documenting these challenges and your responses to them. This will not only help you track your growth, but also serve as a motivational tool when facing future hurdles. For the next month, choose one actionable step each week to professionalize your hobby. This could range from setting up a professional social media profile to reaching out to potential mentors in your field. Embark on this 4-week journey with us and share your progress. What steps did you take, and how did they contribute to your goal of turning your hobby into a career? We've explored key strategies for identifying a profitable passion, developing a business mindset, effective networking, branding, and balancing passion with practical life demands. Let's transform passions into professions. Start with small, calculated steps and watch as your hobby blossoms into a fulfilling career. Remember, every great achievement starts with the decision to try. Keep nurturing your passions, and who knows where they might lead you. Until next time, keep dreaming and doing.